Yeah, this video is to directly address the press release on the First Lady of KWARA State this morning regarding the bandit attack in Eruku. My name is BUKOLA AWOYEMI. I'm from Eruku town, Ekiti local government, KWARA State. Ma'am, the information you got from the KWARA State police is false, ma'am. And because this involves my people directly. This has to do with my people. It was a successful attack. It was an attack, not an attempted attack, ma'am. We all saw the video. They were streaming live while the church program was going on when the bandits came in, and a lot of people were abducted. I'm so much pained when I saw the release that it was an attempted attack and nothing happened to anyone, and some people are in the hospital right now. 3 people are dead now, right now. I've spoken to a lot of people from my town, my cousins, my uncles. Presently, my cousin, like 3-4 of my cousins are in the bandits' den. They are there right now. They've been abducted. Evangelist Titi Balogun, she's right there. She's my mom's younger sister. Ebenezer, I know, is presently there. That's my cousin's son. So it was a successful attack. It wasn't an attempted one. I'm so pained right now. This is not a happy video, because if something like that happened, and what is the direct opposite of what happened is what is being reported. It hurts me. Everybody is crying in my town now because we can't find them. We don't even know if they will be found dead or alive. So it will be very painful if we are seeing what I saw on your page, ma'am. Please, ma, that report is false. It totally contradicts what actually happened. People are dead. 3 people are dead right now, and countless people, many, we don't even know their number, that have been abducted now. Please save us. We don't know what to do right now. This is not in Okunland alone, the whole of Nigeria. We need help. We need help, ma. Please, ma. The information you got and that is being posted on your page right now is not true. It is false, ma. This is the truth I'm giving directly from the source. My name is BUKOLA AWOYEMI. I'm from KWARA State. I'm an Nollywood actor, and I'm lending my voice.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí arábìnrin yìí tí ó sọ nínú fídíò yìí nípa àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa yìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ àti nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú rẹ̀. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ pé arábìnrin tí ó wà nínú fídíò yìí ni gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí BUKOLA AWOYEMI. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ó mà wà ní agbára báyìí o.
On behalf of my people, thank you.